If you're a general contractor, you unfortunately know the headaches of dealing with unreliable subcontractors, delayed projects, complaints from clients, and vanishing profits. No one deserves this level of stress. This is why, at August Roofing and Solar, we bring over 30 years of experience and unshakable commitment to increase professionalism in the roofing industry. Our timely, accurate bids are not just numbers. They're a commitment to making your project a success. And when we review the plans, we'll bring up any potential issues, ensuring your project's viability and safeguarding your reputation.
When I send out a set of plans, August Roofing, to bid, they don't really take it for face value. They dive into the details to really figure out what they're looking at, what they see. And often they'll drive out to the job site also to compare plans to what they see in person. They also look at if what's drawn, one, is it correct or the best way to do something, or if they can do it better. One thing I appreciate about them are those extra steps to make sure that what they're giving me when it comes to providing an estimate is accurate, not just for what they see on the plans, it's accurate what's in real life so that their number is tried and true, and that's gonna be the best product at the end.
Our partnership means the job gets done right, on time, and on budget. With our strict adherence to schedules and daily job site oversight, we guarantee smooth operations and fewer headaches. This translates to higher profits, happy customers, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing the job will be done right. Let August Roofing and Solar bid on your next project. We'd love the opportunity to show you what it's like to work with a company hell-bent on professionalism.